If you are a Microsoft Dynamics 365 administrator and need to upgrade the document routing agent, stick around and I'll show you how. Hi and welcome to IT Paisa. In this video, I'll go over how to upgrade the D365 DRA and go over a few things to keep in mind before upgrading. With Microsoft requiring you to install at least 2 service updates per year, upgrading DRA after installing every service update is a good habit to get into, as this introduces fixes and enhancements to DRA. If you are running DRA as a service, there are 2 things to keep in mind. The first thing is make a note of the user being used to run the service, as this gets wiped during the upgrade. In addition, make sure you know the password for the user being used to run the service. The second thing is to make sure the DRA service is stopped to avoid having to restart the server after the upgrade. The first step is to make sure that you're logged into Dynamics 365 and in the network printers blade. Under application, you want to click on download document routing agent installer. Pick the correct language version. Make sure you save it on a location on the server that you can run it from. The next step is to go to the server where you have the agent installed. Stop the service if you have it running as a service. You also need to uninstall the old version before installing the updated version, otherwise you'll get this message. Under control panel, make sure you remove the document routing agent. Don't worry, all your settings will be saved. Once you have it uninstalled, double click on the setup to install the latest version, keeping the defaults in place. Click Finish. Once you're finished, you can go back and start the service. The one thing to keep in mind, however, is you will need to change the logon as if you had it set to a service account. Now, when you open up Document Routing Agent, you won't get the message saying that it's out of date. If you found this video informative, click the thumbs up. Have a comment or want to make a suggestion for my next video? Leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.